Hello friends, today we are going to see about a new product introduced by the market leader Tata Sky DTH. It is nothing but an Android box. It has 4K facility and it has inbuilt Chromecast. The cost of the box is 6,000 rupees. The salient features of the box are it is run by Android version 9.0. It has 2 GB RAM and 8 GB internal storage. It has Google Voice Assistant. If you have broadband with a 2 Mbps connection, Tata Sky provides you with a binge service which is absolutely free for 1 month. The binge service covers Amazon Prime Video, Hotstar, Sun Next, Z5, Hangama and several applications. If you have Netflix subscription, you can watch using this 4K box. It has an Ethernet connection also, and mainly for home theater enthusiasts, you have optical out connection in this box, which is not available in any other box. It has a 5.1 output so that you can watch Dolby DTS audio with home theaters and online movies, and channels like Star Movies, HVO, they are transmitting channels in 5.1 output. And you can also watch last 7 days of the channel program, whichever you have subscribed. It has a storage and you can watch the last 7 days program of your favorite sitcoms. And Tata Sky provides you with 3 years warranty of this box. No other company provides you with 3 years warranty, and it is available in any part of India. Wherever you may be, you can get this box. If you have a broadband connection, you can connect with this binge service also. Wherever you are, Tata Sky will assist you to install the box within 24 hours of your order. We are currently working in Madurai. We are Padhali Automations Private Limited, a distributor and service provider for Madurai city. And if you are away from other area, we can help you in getting this connection at your location itself. Tata Sky certified engineers will come and install the dish and establish these services within no time. Friends, now you can watch the demonstration of the Tata Sky Android box. It will guide you through step-by-step process and you can see a full demo. If you have any queries in this product or services, you can get back to us with whatever social platform you have, WhatsApp, email, Facebook. We are ready to assist you in whatever problem you face. Thank you.
After installing your Chromecast or starting the installation program, then it asks for Wi-Fi network connection. When you get in, log into the Wi-Fi, it will go to the next stage of asking your Google account sign up. Either you can sign or you can skip it on to installing the Chromecast. When you want to install, you'll have to check in with your mobile or system with the website address given by the Chromecast and log into the website and type the OTP startup number which is displayed in the TV to synchronize or authenticate. With Google Assistant, which is a necessary additional advantage in Chromecast, like something like Alexa. Then it goes into the checking mode of Tata Sky signal program and asks for necessary DNB details which can be done by an expert from Tata Sky, or most of the customers are now aware of it. Now it has several details like entertainment, movies, kids, games, etc. etc. You have around 3000 applications built in, and for your kind information, we are trying to get into YouTube and signing it by mobile, and we are just demonstrating our first video in the Chromecast for your reference and help. If you need any more help or clarification, please get into our website or Facebook page or any other. You can mail it also, or you can call us in the number given in the final part of this video. Thank you very much.